You've heard of egg cartons, right? Turns out this simple invention has been working for over 100 years. You take a pool, fill it with water and recycled paper, and create cardboard pulp. The same thing for 100 years. The only factory in Israel that manufactures these cartons is Hartman May in Netanya. To ensure that the pulp is suitable for making the carton, up until 2 years ago, the shift manager at the factory would test the moisture and thickness of the pulp. The problem was, any changes that occurred would only be discovered in the next test cycle. That means stopping the production line and even throwing away all the pulp. Those mistakes cost the factory a lot of money and limited its output. But sometimes it's all about the timing, because the factory transitioned from this state of crisis straight to the heart of the fourth industrial revolution. Why the fourth? Because it came after the first, second, and third industrial revolutions. Industry 4.0, and is known in the world as Industry 4.0. The innovation of this revolution was the introduction of advanced technologies into the world of production, like artificial intelligence, robotics, the Internet of Things, autonomous vehicles, 3D printing, and quantum computing. That means that machines not only store information and process it faster, but they can also communicate and make independent decisions. Let's get back to the factory. What changes took place thanks to the fourth revolution? Instead of relying on the varied experience of the shift managers, the factory, which received a grant from the Innovation Authority, installed sensors in the pool that could calculate the pulp's indices and correct them. The shift manager could track the state of the pulp via a data dashboard, leaving him time to help in additional tasks. The factory also added conveyor belts that made the stages of production automatic. Finally, a robot was added to prepare the cartons for delivery. The combination of artificial intelligence and robotics increased the factory's output by 50%. In addition to this factory, there are 3,000 other mid-size and large factories in Israel. To keep the Israeli industry, which employs 350,000 workers, relevant and competitive, it is important that it operates at the forefront of technology. This certainly is a complex undertaking for many factories, enabling machines to speak with each other and compels the factory to make changes in both the organization and employee training. Nevertheless, the fourth revolution can help factories become more efficient, increase their output, and eventually make a significant contribution to the Israeli economy.